Have you heard of creatine? It's a popular supplement among athletes and bodybuilders, but what exactly is it and how does it work? Creatine is a natural substance that's found in our muscles. It helps our muscles produce energy during high-intensity exercises like weightlifting and sprinting. Creatine can be taken in supplement form, usually as a powder that's mixed with water or added to a protein shake. When taken regularly, creatine can help increase muscle strength, power, and size. So, how do you use creatine? First, you'll need to determine your dosage. The most common dosage is around 5 grams per day. Creatine is usually taken before or after a workout, but it can be taken at any time of the day. It's important to stay hydrated while taking creatine, as it can cause your muscles to retain water. It's also important to cycle on and off creatine. Take it for a few months and then take a break for a few weeks before starting again. So, in summary, creatine is a natural substance found in our muscles that helps us produce energy during high-intensity exercises. It can be taken as a supplement to increase muscle strength, power, and size. Just be sure to stay hydrated, cycle on and off, and follow the recommended dosage. Thanks for watching. Now, go out there and crush your workouts with the help of creatine.